Hey cuties! This mask is huge on me, so I never wore it, but isn't it so cute? It's huge. It's so big and baggy, and it like didn't secure to my face, so I was like, you know that like trick where you go like this? It doesn't work with this mask, like at all. It just doesn't. Some masks it works with, some masks it doesn't, and this one it didn't, but it looks cute, and I'm glad I got to use it for the intro. So in one of my recent videos, I did a haul on a bunch of Barbie makeup. If you guys want to see that, the link will be in the description box down below if you guys want to see just a haul of this. But a lot of you guys wanted me to do a whatever. A get ready with me using these products. That's what I'm gonna do today. It actually is night now, so it's like a get ready with me night version, but no one's gonna call it that. Why would I call it that? Night, like no one cares. So I'm just gonna play around with this, see how the quality is. The packaging is so adorable. Let's play around with some makeup and chat. So if you don't remember, this is like what the packaging looks like, very like 80s, 90s Barbie. So I think the first thing I'm gonna do is work on my eyes, and this is the eyeshadow palette. It is so adorable. Okay, so she looks like this. Sunshine Vibes. I love that the name is on the back. Like each of the names of the shadows are on the back. This is what we are looking at. Let's go ahead and get started here. Okay, I'm gonna prime my lids. I always forget to prime my lids whenever I do like a tutorial or anything. And I always say this, but I am not a makeup artist. I'm not that great at makeup. I just like makeup, but I also like talking with you guys, so don't critique me too hard on it. I'm gonna take Make Waves, and we're gonna start on the crease right here. Instantly, look at all that color payoff. I am happy. My camera keeps wanting to focus on that seal's face. I might have to move that face. Like it's right now, like as I'm talking, it's like is that a better face than yours, bitch? Like look at, like it keeps going in and out of focus in between me and the seal. We're gonna have to move them. Like stop being so cute when your best friend's taking all your shine. Okay, so far this is blending really nicely. I'm just trying to create a base. Oh, and everyone always asks me about my eyebrows. Everyone's like, do a tutorial, do a tutorial. I did a tutorial. It's gonna be linked down below on how I do my brows now, like the bushy brows. Link is down below, honey. I need this color right here. I'm gonna grab my little ColourPop mirror. See how pigmented this is. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna like really blend. I don't know why I'm in like a blending mood, and I want to make like a sunset. I don't know, like the front of this is inspiring me, girl, like of a sunset. I'm probably gonna look really bad. But that's what makeup is. It's just like playing around, right? So now me building the crease, I feel like it shouldn't have happened, and now it's gonna be all covered up because I'm just going to go crazy and ham. Like I'm gonna go to my brow and maybe beyond. Oh my god, that looks kind of cool. You know what's funny is I like never played with Barbies when I was young, and then that's like when I got the nickname Barbie like way long ago, because like you know, like people like opposite, like you know when somebody's like big and they call them tiny, something like that. So I got like that because I got like, oh hey, it's Barbie, because I literally wore like rain boots and like baggy shorts and like a t-shirt. And like rain boots all the time. Like I wouldn't leave the house without them. This actually looks really cool, doesn't it? I'm like, hey. Okay, I'm gonna take this West Coast color. They're really like flaky, like, or like powdery. This looks cool. I'm like over blend. Like I want to go like out here and be like IG model status, you know? Oh my god, this actually looks cool. I should have worn this all day. Why am I doing this at night? I literally should have just worn this and been like, So that's how I got the nickname Barbie, and I hated it. I also hated being called Sam. I hated everything. I like hated everything as a kid. Just kidding. Now I'm gonna do SoCal. I'm just doing like all like the bright colors. See when I hit it though, how like dusty it is? Me. I feel like I'm gonna ruin it now. Oh no, it looks cute. I go so scared. It looks like a sunset. Does it? Please let it. Please let it. Oh my god, why does this look cool? Oh my god, hire me. I'm literally plopping down eyeshadow. Honestly, it's a good eyeshadow brush. I'm gonna say this Morphe. I don't know if we stand Morphe. I never know like who we stand anymore. Everyone's always canceled. Every brand is canceled. I'm like, hey guys, like I got my cute little outfit from Dolls Kill. Everyone's like, I can't believe you like Dolls Kill. I'm like, oh my god. And I'm like, hey guys, I like the song. It's like, I can't believe you like that singer. I feel like everything is canceled all the time. This looks so cool. I'm so proud of myself, and nothing happened. again. This Follow the Sun. Good for them for not calling it PiinkSparkles because I would have sued. Just kidding. I kind of just want to like plop it over top. Oh my god, I thought I had to wet my brush. Girl, no, she's good. She's vibrant. Okay, I really like this palette. It's really blending well. And I went out of my comfort zone and like blended all the way to my brow bone. Oh my god, I love this. Bye. Me doing this at 8 p.m. and going nowhere. I'm just gonna take it off. Like I've used a lot of bright colors before and a lot of them like literally don't blend or don't blend well. And this blends very, very well. When I got out of high school, that's when I started like really loving the Barbie like typical style, like the bleach blonde hair, like all of that, like just like the looks wise. And then I started realizing like what Barbie stood for and everything, and I know it sounds stupid, and that's when I started adopting my love for Hello Kitty because it's very similar to me. Barbie's probably canceled right now, I don't know, everyone's canceled, but I just liked how it was like Barbie can do anything. Barbie can be an engineer, Barbie can be a doctor, Barbie can be a hoe, Barbie can be whatever she wants, like, like Barbie doesn't judge, thank God. So then I was like adopting the name Barbie in a different way and really embracing it, if that makes sense. And I take that Best Coast color and go down here, pretty much because it's already falling down there. I'm not sure why. Ooh, there's so many shimmery shades. Honestly, I really like this palette. I think I'm gonna do this one. Okay. When I was doing the video, I thought that this said Call Girl. It literally says Cali Girl. It's like Cali Girl, cause like California, Barbie. And I'm like, Call Girl, Barbie can be anything. I was like, why would they name it that? People are like, girl, it says Cali. Like, are you dumb? I thought that was so funny that I thought it said that. Why does, this look looks so cool. It literally looks so, I'm hyping my, you know what? Always hype yourself up. That's what it is. Now we're gonna do the lashes. They seem so little for me, but, oh. Bye, lashes. This is what they look like. I'm just gonna put on a little bit of liner, just enough where you don't see the definition between my lashes and the natural lashes. You know, just a little bit. I don't want to do like a wing or anything. So more of the story is be whatever Barbie you want. Be any Barbie you want. Just be you. This piece of hair, I can't. I don't get this such small lashes because, for instance, look at her. Look at her like huge, voluptuous lashes. Like those are like thick. Those look like a horse tail. They're thick. And then you give us these. They're like hee-hee doll lashes. They're nowhere near as big enough as what I need. Please go on as the sun. And it opened up my eyes and I am... You know what? I feel like these lashes are not as big as the makeup look. You know what I mean? I feel like I need like whoosh. I think I need biggins. I hate this little mirror, by the way. I feel like it's useless. I feel like I'm just gonna donate it. Like, and these lashes aren't it, sis. Everything else, like I love the palette. I've been wearing the nude lip specifically a lot, and I love it. It stays on all day. It's amazing. I think ColourPop makes amazing makeup and they're very underrated. Doll lashes, well I guess like a Barbie doll itself doesn't really have big lashes, right? Okay, I just made up a joke right now, okay? A wasp says to another wasp, where are you going tonight? Wow, oh, okay, wait. A wasp looks at another hornet and says, what are you into? What girls do you like? Where do you like them? And then they say like, I like Barbies. It wasn't funny, just say it. I wanted to play around with this. This is what this looks like. I love my makeup right now. Why did I do it at 8 p.m. for nothing? Like what? Do we see any color payoff? Oh yes, girl, whoa. Look at that, she's glowing. Maybe she's born with it. Maybe it's a ColourPop highlight. I literally love color. Oh my god, look at that. Put it on the tip of my nose so I literally look plastic, so I look like a doll. Oh my god, I loaded it on, I shouldn't have. It's very, very pigmented. Look at that, it's so cute. Now we're gonna do, I'm just gonna show you guys the different lip stuff. I don't like them. I only like one of them. The first one I'm gonna show you guys is this pink one, which is gonna clash, I bet. Let me grab my child mirror. I hate colors like this. The lipsticks at themselves are so creamy and amazing. That's what this one looks like. I don't like fuchsia colors like this. I don't like it. Don't like it. Pass. Okay, and then this one is Malibu Sunset. This one is actually kind of cute, which is weird because this is the one I probably wouldn't like even more. Look at this smoky eye. I feel like this would look so good. Not with this eye, but just with just this portion. Obviously, I didn't do it good, but like this is a pretty color. We're still taking it off. Okay, I'm not gonna use the lip liner. They all come with matching lip liners here. I just put a little bit of foundation on my lips just because I want this extra pale. This one here is Golden Beach, and I feel like it's the perfect one. It literally is like the perfect nude. I am in love. And when I use the lip liner, it stays on all day, but I'm literally doing nothing after this, and I feel like this is the only one out of them all that's gonna complement this. See? So here is the makeup look. I love the glitter and shimmer. So this is really fun, just like chilling, playing with some makeup, talking with you guys about like nothing. I feel like it was like old school days, just like chill, play with some makeup. But let me know how I did. Did you guys get this collection? Did you like it? In my opinion, I think what is worth it is this nude lipstick and this palette. That's what I would have bought from it. I would have passed on everything else, honestly. The highlight is cool and it's like really shimmery, but I feel like every highlight does that. I don't know. I'm my personal opinion. I feel like every highlight is the same. But the nose highlight is like, hello, girl. So I really enjoy that, and I like the size of it. I love the packaging. I love how cutesy it is. I just really like how vibrant the colors are, because nowadays I feel like everyone's just wearing neutral. So the fact that there's so many colors in here, and there's shimmery and there's matte ones, and they blend so well, I think it's really good. I hope you guys all have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Blend, blend, blend. Just kidding. I love you guys. Talk to you guys later. Bye.